If you know yourself as an Ndoni man, you will know that you are Ukwuani. Language adjustment is very wise by people who are proud of themselves and their land and people. In Europe, nearly all the languages are Latinized, but they do not coerce people. They respect other people's culture, which are usually similar. Igbonization occurred as a result of Igbo incursion into Ukwuani. Ukwuani people existed uniquely as a distinct tribe. Respect your culture, small body no be cause. This person that said this is from Ndoni in Rivers State. Ndoni people are Ukwuani people. Their language is Ukwuani, and Ukwuani is an Igbo dialect. He said that Ukwuani language was Igbonized, but that does not make Ukwuani people Igbo people. So I'm asking, what was the language of Ukwuani people before Igbo language, Igbonized Ukwuani language? You talk say Ukwuani language not be Igbo before Igbo language start to dey enter Ukwuani language. I come dey ask, what was the language of Ukwuani people before they came in contact with Igbo language? What is come in Ukwuani language before Igbo people started entering Ukwuani land? What is the supreme being called? What is water called? What is land called? What is human being called? What is food called in Ukwuani language before Igbo people started entering Ukwuani land? This question, no Ukwuani person can answer this question. All those Ukwuani people that are saying that Ukwuani is not Igbo, they cannot answer this question. Ukwuani people are not distinct and different from our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Now only Ukwuani people wey not know themselves go dey tell you say Ukwuani is not Igbo. Ukwuani language is similar to Igbo, but they are not the same thing. People who don't know the difference between similar and the same. The same means the same thing. Ofukawabo. Let me explain the word similar. Similar is Chukwu in Igbo language is what we Igbos call the supreme being. And Chukwu in Jukwu language can be food. They have the same spelling and pronunciation, but they don't have the same meaning. That is the meaning of similar. In Igbo language, lizard is called ngwele. If you go to all those South Africa, Zimbabwe, people there bear ngwele as name. The same spelling of ngwele in Igbo language is the same spelling of ngwele in all those South Africa and Zimbabwe. The same way we pronounce it is the same way they pronounce it there. Ngwele in Igbo language, ngwele in South Africa and Zimbabwe language. Ngwele in Igbo land means lizard, but ngwele in their own place does not mean lizard. It means another thing. That is what they call similar. They are similar, but they are not the same. Some Ukwuani people will tell you that we call the supreme being in Ukwuani land Chukwu. They call it in the southeast as Chukwu, but they are not the same. Our own Chukwu in Ukwuani is different. Their own Chukwu in the southeast is different. It can't be like say Ukwuani people not they go school. You are a person, they speak the same language. You still open your mouth, they talk say, una not be the same people. Una language just they similar. Igbo people, Igbonized our language. What is the language of we Ukwuani people before we came in contact with Ndigbo? In ancient times, when we Ukwuani people speak, our brothers in the southeast, they hear and understand. When we Ukwuani people speak, Oshimiri and Anyocha people understand. Ika people understand. When they speak, we understand. Why is it that we understand each other? It's simply because we are one people. Si Ukwuani, si Urobo. Yet, Urobo language no fuse into Ukwuani language. And Ukwuani language no fuse into Urobo language. Are Ukwuani people and Urobo people similar? No. Do we have the same culture and tradition? No. Are Urobo people using the 4 market days? No. Are Ijaw people using it? No. Ayariba people using it? No. In Ukwani, we use Eke, Olie, Afo, Nkwo. All over Igbo land, every Igbo person use that same Eke, Olie, Afo, and Nkwo. Any day in Ukwani land that is Eke day, that same day is Eke day in Anambra State. That same day is Eke day in Ebonyi, Enugu, Imo, and Abia State. That same day is Eke day in the whole Igbo communities indigenous in 13 Nigeria states and all over the world. Today cannot be Eke day in Ukwani land, and that same today can be Olie in another place in Igbo land. It's not possible. If today na Olie for Ukwani land, that same today na Olie for Ebonyi State. If to say today na Afo for Ukwani land, today na Afo for Imo State. If today na Nkwo for Ukwani land, today na Nkwo for Enugu State. Even the time when there is no camera, 500 years ago, 1,000 years ago, as today na Eke for Ukwani land 1,000 years ago, today na still Eke for all over Igbo land 1,000 years ago. Is that not enough reason for you to know that we are one people with each and everyone that is using that same market days with us? In Igbo land, our market days is our days of the week. 4 days makes 1 week in Igbo land. As 4 days na 1 week for other parts of Igbo land, now so 4 days na 1 week for Ukwani land. The same Igbo calendar where our Igbo brothers they use for Southeast, now wetin we dey use for Ukwani land. In Ukwani land, we use Ofo. Our Igbo brothers in the Southeast, they use Ofo. How did Ofo enter Ukwani land? What Ofo signifies in Ukwani land is what Ofo signifies in the Southeast. We Ukwani people, we believe in Ikenga. Our Igbo brothers in the Southeast, they believe in Ikenga. We dance Igwamala in Ukwani, they dance Igwamala in the Southeast. We have the same deities. We'll call deity in Ukwani as Elishe. In the Southeast, they call it Alose. Elishe and Alose means the same thing. The masquerades that are found in Ukwani land are also found in the Southeast. Why are those masquerades not found in Bini land? Why are they not found in Ijo land? Why are they not found in Urobo land? Yet, some of our Ukwani people no one use their sense, no say, we Ukwani people and our Igbo brothers in the Southeast are one people. Some of them will say, we share the same culture, but we are not the same people. Person wey get such mindset not they go far in life. People who don't know where they belong. It's so shameful. Some Ukwani people will tell you, we Ukwani people are brothers with Enuane people and with Ika people. That same Ukwani person go tell you say, but we Ukwani people are not brothers with Ndigbo in the Southeast. It shows say such Ukwani person get sense. No. Waiting our Igbo brothers for Southeast go speak, make Enuane person not here. Waiting Ukwani person go speak, make our Igbo brothers for Southeast not here. Some Ukwani people will tell you, there are words we use in Ukwani land that you cannot find in the Southeast. There are words in Ika land that you cannot find in Ukwani land. E get names where Ika people they bear, we don't bear such names in Ukwani land. Yet, Ukwani people will tell you that Ukwani na Ika Buwane. There are names in Enuane land that you cannot find in Ukwani land. In Ukwani land, we don't bear Otomi as name. Ogwashuku bear Otomi, Ibuzo bear Otomi. But we don't bear Otomi in Ukwani land. Me as an Ukwani person, I know the meaning of Otomi. Otomi means long life. But we don't bear such name in Ukwani land. In Ika land, they don't bear Osai. Yet, Ika and Ukwani people coexist as brothers. They will tell you that they are brothers. If you hear that name, Kalo, the first thing that will come to your mind is Abia State. Not only Abia State for Igbo land, they bear that name Kalo. Do we bear Kalo in Ukwani land? No. But we Ukwani people are brothers with Abia State people. In Ukwani land, we bear Okumeshi, we bear Elishe, we bear this, we bear that. They don't bear such name in Anambra State. And because of that, we and Anambra people are not brothers. We are not one people. Just look at the mindset of some Ukwani people. You are not one people because some of the name one they bear for Ukwani land, they're not the bearer for Southeast. The ones where they bear for Southeast, Una dey bear for Ukwani land. Now all the names where they bear for Southeast, una dey bear for Ukwani land. That is what they call dialectical names. If you go for Ebonyi State, there are Igbo names there that you can only find those names in Ebonyi State. In Imo State, the same thing. In Anambra, the same thing. In Enugu, the same thing. In Abia, the same thing. In Ikwere, the same thing. In Ukwani, the same thing. There are names that once you hear this name, you don't know say now this region, that name they come from. As far as when we Ukwani people speak, every Igbo person hears and understand. We Ukwani people are Igbo people. As far as we Ukwani people, we understand the Igbo dialect of other Igbo regions. We Ukwani people and those Igbo people are one people. Your language is your identity. Your language is where you belong. Ukwani people are not Igbonized. What we speak today in Ukwani land is our language since time immemorial. Igbo people from the southeast did not conquer we Ukwani people. They did not change our language. They did not change our way of life. We Ukwani people, we are Igbo people and equal to every Igbo region. These Ukwani words, you can only find it in Ukwani. You can't find it in the southeast. Because of that, we are not Igbo people. Just imagine. You not be Igbo person. Your name na Chukwemeke. Your name na Chukunalo. Your name na Chukuneku. Your name na Nnamdi. Your name na Ezechi. You dey talk say you not be Igbo person. Who are you deceiving? What names are we Ukwani people bearing in the past before we started bearing the kind of names that we bear today? You don't know that they have what they call dialectical names. And all those dialectical names, if you put ear down, you can know their meaning. You get in a way you go here for Ebonyi State now, you gonna ask yourself, which can name be this? But if you understand the dialect of Ebonyi people very well, you can know the meaning of that name. No matter how good you are in Igbo language, you can never understand 100% of the dialect of another Igbo region. There are things we will say in Ukwani land that people from other regions cannot understand, but at least they can understand like 70 to 80% of what we say in Ukwani land. When Ebonyi people speak, at least I can understand 60 to 70% of what they are saying. When Abreba people speak, I can understand at least 60 to 70% of what they are saying. That is why it is called a dialect. The way you speak is not exactly the way I speak, but we do understand each other. That is why it's called a dialect. If you go to Yoruba land, the same thing. When the Ijebu people are speaking, other Yoruba people go put ear for ground to understand what Ijebu people they talk well. And even if they put ear for ground, no be every way Ijebu people talk, they go hear and understand. Now so it's still there for Ekiti State. Now so it's still there for other Yoruba states. If you go northern Nigeria for Hausa land, the same thing. Ebu is an Igala community in Anioma land. Na Igala that they speak. Ebu is bilingual. They speak Igala, they speak Igbo language. If Ebu person and Ida person, they speak their Igala language. E get so many things where Ebu person go talk where Ida person not go hear and understand. Ida person go ask, wetin be this thing where you talk? Wetin be the meaning? Now so Ide for Igbo language. There are words we use in Ukwani land that you cannot find in Anambra State. There are words they use in Anambra State that you cannot find in Ukwani land. Yet we all are Igbo people. We are one people because we hear and understand each other. These are the people that will tell you, Ukwani people are Bini people. Ukwani people are of Bini origin. Ukwani people are of Igala origin. Show us Bini culture where they for Ukwani land. They don't go fit show you. Are we bearing Bini names? No. Do we have Bini masquerades? No. Do we have Bini culture and tradition? No. Why are Ukwani people not worshipping the Oba of Bini? That is because we Ukwani people, we forbid kingship. If we be Bini people, why are we forbidding kingship? Bini people, they worship kingship, they adore kingship, but in Ukwani land, we forbid it because kingship is sacrilege. Some Ukwani people go tell you, say, all those Ukwani communities where get king, say their culture is bad. If you tell Ogume people, you Ogume people na not get king, una no go do make una get king the way Abo people take get king. Ogume people go tell you, fear Chukwajon. They go tell you, say kingship is evil. Eze bu ifo ojo olodeze, oblogole. That is what Ogume people will tell you. Ogume people will tell you, say, Abo people not get culture. I'm from Ogume, I know what I'm saying. Ogume will tell you, say, Abo not get culture. And that is because Abo people get king. Any community for Ukwani land wey get king, Ogume will tell you, say, that community don't have culture. If you tell them why, they will tell you, say, in Ukwani land, we forbid kingship. We don't have kings. So, what is Bini about we Ukwani people? Nothing. As you talk Ukwani bofu, how Ukwani te be one where we say some they forbid kingship and some love kingship? Wetin make us one? Wetin make us one now? We understand each other. Some of our cultures are the same. E no mean say because of say we be Ukwani people, all our culture go be the same 100%. Not be so that they unite. That is not how unity works. As we say, we Ukwani people, we observe the same 4 market days. We eat the same food. There are some masquerades that we share together. There are some cultures and traditions that we share together. That is why we are a people. That is how it is all over Igbo land. No be more say this masquerade where the Ukwani land go dey for Enugu. No be more say this culture where the Ukwani land go dey for Anambra. That is not how it works. But if you check today, we have so many things in common, and that is why we all are one people. The name that holds every Bia-speaking people worldwide is Igbo, and for that, we Ukwani people are Igbo people. Ukwani people, wake up. Let's embrace our Igbo brothers in the southeast. We Ukwani people are Igbo people. Igbo bofu, Ishiagwale.